Okay, so I'm going to have a talk about wall squats using a couple of pieces of equipment. So in the video, I'm using a foam roller. A couple of you might have them, but if you don't, what you can use, funnily enough at this time, toilet roll. Make sure you use a new one because obviously you don't want it to unravel, but exactly the same effect using this. What this exercise does is basically recreate leg press. So you're going to be putting the foam roller against the wall, and that's going to be kind of a pivot point. This is going to really help you to focus on the movement. It's also going to really help improve your flexibility and target the weaker muscles in your squat, whilst also improving the bigger muscles. Yeah, so we quickly watch the video here. So first thing I'm going to talk about is where to place that foam roller. So you want it just above your backside basically. So you want it in, normally where you have back dimples, lower part of your spine. Yeah, have that in there. And you're going to set your feet shoulder width apart, have that slight turning like we've talked about in sessions. And from there, you're going to come down nice and slowly, hold it at the bottom for a second, pop back up. Nice and slowly, hold, pop back up there. Keep an eye on your knees, make sure you're keeping them out nice and strong, out over your toes so you don't want them to bend in. But like we said, because you've got this foam roller here and you're coming down nice and slowly, it gives you more of a chance to focus on your positioning of your lower body. Yeah, whilst the use of that being on the wall keeps you back nice and neutral. So down nice and slowly, pause, back up there. With this as well, if you're finding it quite easy, obviously get used to it first, not using any weight, but what you can do is add in a dumbbell, for instance, something that's got a bit of weight to it. I wouldn't do any higher than like 5 kilograms or so. Then what you can also do is change it to single leg. So take one leg off the floor and you're almost doing pistol squats. It's a lot more balanced, pressed against the wall. Yeah. Also, you do get quite a nice little massage while you're doing it, so it's quite nice too. Any questions on this one, just let me know. If there's any other exercises that you guys are wanting or want me to record in particular, any equipment you want me to record, just drop me a message. Yeah? Awesome.